Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Money Management Tips. Subscribe our channel for daily video on money management, investing, and budgeting. And turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Now, let's jump into today's topic. 10 frugal living habits for saving money. In today's world, managing your finances has become more important than ever. Whether you are trying to save for a rainy day, pay off debt, or achieve financial independence, good money management is key to achieving your goals. Habit 1. Create and stick to a budget. Creating and sticking to a budget is one of the most important habits for money management and frugal living. A budget is simply a plan for how you will spend your money. By setting up a budget, you can prioritize your spending and make sure that you don't overspend. To create a budget, start by listing all your expenses and tracking your spending. This can help you identify areas where you may be overspending and where you can cut back. Be sure to include all your regular expenses such as rent or mortgage, utilities, food, transportation, and any other bills you have. Habit 2. Use cash instead of credit cards. Using cash instead of credit cards is another effective habit for money management. Credit cards can be a great tool for building credit, but they can also lead to overspending. With credit cards, it's easy to spend more than you have and end up with high interest charges and debt. By using cash, you can physically see how much money you have left and avoid overspending. It can also help you become more mindful of your spending and encourage you to think twice before making purchases. Additionally, using cash can be a helpful strategy if you are trying to stick to a budget or if you are trying to break the habit of relying on credit cards. Habit 3. Meal plan and cook at home. Eating out can quickly add up and become a significant expense. By meal planning and cooking at home, you can save money on groceries and avoid the temptation to eat out. Try planning your meals for the week in advance and buying ingredients in bulk to save even more. Habit 4. Shop smart and compare prices. Shopping smart and comparing prices can save you a significant amount of money on everyday purchases. Take the time to research prices and look for deals, discounts, and coupons before making a purchase. You can also try shopping at discount stores or buying in bulk to save even more. Habit 5. Automate your savings. Automating your savings is a great way to ensure that you're consistently putting money aside for your financial goals. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each month to make sure that you're saving a portion of your income. You can also consider setting up automatic contributions to your retirement or investment accounts to build wealth over time. Habit 6. Cut back on subscription services. Subscription services such as streaming platforms, gym memberships, and other subscription services can add up quickly. Consider cutting back on the ones you don't use often or canceling them altogether. You can also try sharing subscriptions with friends or family members to save money. Habit 7. Avoid impulse purchases. Impulse purchases can be a major setback to your budgeting efforts. They often happen when you're out shopping and see something you want, but don't necessarily need. It's easy to justify the purchase in the moment, but in the long run, these purchases can add up and lead to overspending. To avoid impulse purchases, it's important to recognize when you're being tempted and to take a step back before making a purchase. One effective strategy is to wait 24 hours before making a purchase. This gives you time to think about whether the purchase is necessary or if it can wait. If you still want the item after 24 hours, then you can consider purchasing it. Habit 8. Buy used instead of buying new. Used items instead of new ones is a great way to save money. Look for items at thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces to find great deals. You can also try selling items you no longer need or use to make some extra cash. Habit 9. Negotiate and bargain. Don't be afraid to negotiate and bargain when making purchases. You can often get a better deal by asking for a lower price or negotiating for better terms. This is especially true when making larger purchases such as cars, appliances, or furniture. Habit 10. Set financial goals. Setting financial goals is a great way to stay motivated and focused on your money management habits. Start by setting both short-term and long-term goals that align with your values and priorities. Then, track your progress regularly and make adjustments as necessary to stay on track. This can help you stay motivated and make progress toward achieving financial independence and security. In conclusion, managing your finances is a critical aspect of achieving financial stability and independence. By adopting the 10 money management habits for frugal living outlined in this video, you can take control of your finances, prioritize your spending, and avoid overspending. These habits include creating and sticking to a budget, using cash instead of credit cards, meal planning and cooking at home, shopping smart and comparing prices, automating your savings, cutting back on subscription services, avoiding impulse purchases, buying used instead of new, negotiating and bargaining, and setting financial goals. By implementing these habits and staying focused on your financial goals, you can build a better future for yourself and your loved ones. So, start today and take the first step towards a more frugal and financially sound life. That is all for this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.